Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, a warm welcome to you. Feel at home and enjoy your stay. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you. Silent viewers, big up yourself. As you can see by the title, I am making cheesy, delicious scalloped potato. Come along with me, let I show you.
Them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
So here I have the potatoes already peeled and washed, and I'm gonna slice them up thinly. It's 5 large potatoes. Yes, so this is the size that I slice them up in. Yes, and guys, for this scalloped potato, yeah, I'm using 2 layers. Okay, so I'm using 5 large potatoes. Here I have 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of chopped onion. I don't chop the onion too small because I want the crunch with the onion. 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of cheese. And here I have 2 packs of Velveeta cheese sauce. Also gonna put black pepper and all-purpose seasoning to that, and a touch of pepper. So here I'm adding the butter to the skillet to start make my sauce. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead. I'm adding the onion to the pot. As I said, I didn't chop the onion too small because I want that crunch of the onion in my scallop potato. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button. Put that post notification bell on so you can be notified of future upload. Right here in Sister J's kitchen, I do simple recipe, Sister J's way, Sister J's version, and Sister J's style. And if you tried it, yes, I know you'll come back and tell me you like it. Okay? And I thank you all for the love and support. So I'm sauteing down the butter and the onion. And then I'm going to be adding the flour to that. If you try this recipe and you don't want your onion to be chunky, just cut them small, okay? So I'm just going to mix this flour out like that. So we are trying to cook the flour, you know, instead of mixing the flour in the cold water to make the paste, you know, you cook it like this to cook it. Make sure you have it cooked properly. Okay? So this is what I'm doing. And guys, this is a lovely recipe. And you can eat this with whatever protein of your choice, you know. Now I'm going to add some milk. I'm adding the milk to this. And I'm using coconut milk. Okay? So now I'm adding my Velveeta cheese sauce. And this Velveeta cheese sauce have jalapeno pepper in it. So yes, it's gonna have a little spicy taste to it. So I'm just mixing this out. And I'm using 2 packs of the Velveeta cheese sauce.
them comment, like, Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop,
Yes,
chop, chop.
mixing this
Chop
out
the potato,
nicely.
chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there inna the Sister J. The food tastes
And
nice
here I'm
every
adding
time.
some
YouTube, so
cheese.
please subscribe. I just start cook me and do it every time.
So with this
Share with my
recipe,
friend them.
you
Comment,
add the
like.
amount of
Sister J,
cheese
them say
to
this
your
nice every
desire.
time when you
You
cook
know,
and me
if you
finger
love
my bite.
cheese, don't
Food
be
delicious,
afraid.
me have to do
Just
it
go
every
ahead
time. Share
and
with my
show the
friend them.
cheese until
Comment,
the
like.
ancestor says stop.
Sister J,
Yes,
real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop,
creamy
chop.
and nice.
Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there inna the Sister J. The food tastes
To all
nice
my
every
channel
time.
members, I want to say thank you so
Sister J, me
much.
have to do it
I
every time.
really
Share with my friend them.
appreciate your
Comment,
love and
like.
support.
Sister J,
I thank you, I thank you, I thank
when you
you.
cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them. Comment, like. Sister
So
J,
now I'm adding
chop, chop,
some
chop, 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 chop.
cayenne pepper
Chop
and
the
some
potato, chop the
all-purpose
carrot.
seasoning
Potato, chop
to
the carrot.
that.
What leap of spice of
And the
it there
cayenne
inna the
pepper is
Sister
optional.
J,
I
the
just
food
want to
tastes
have that,
nice. Caribbean
spicy
cuisine,
little
so please
taste
subscribe.
to
I
it.
just start cook
As
me
I
have to
said,
do it
the
every
Velveeta
time.
cheese
Share with my
sauce,
friend
it
them.
have
Comment,
jalapeno
like.
pepper in it.
Sister J, them say it
Yes.
tastes nice every
So
time
that's
when you
just a
cook all my
little
finger, my bite.
kick
Food
to
delicious, me
this
have to do it
sauce,
every
the
time. Share
spice.
with my friend them. Comment,
Yes, guys.
like.
So now I'm gonna
Sister J,
lay my
real top
potato
chef that a fuck.
in the
Chop, chop, chop,
dish,
chop, 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 chop.
and
Chop
I'm
the
gonna
potato, chop
spray
the
the
carrot.
dish with
What
some
leap of spice of it
cooking
there inna the
spray.
yeah, man, cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say,
I'm using the olive
Sister J,
oil
the
cooking
food
spray.
tastes nice.
So I'm just
Caribbean
gonna
cuisine,
lay
so please subscribe. As you start
the
cook me and
potato
do it
in,
every time. Share with
and
my
I'm doing
friend them.
2 layers.
Comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook
So
all
now
my
I'm
finger,
adding
my
some
bite.
of the cheese
Food
sauce
delicious, me have to do it every
on
time.
top.
Share with my friend them. Comment, like. Sister J,
And the
real
way
top
how
chef
I
that a
set the
fuck. Chop, chop,
potatoes
chop, chop, chop,
is
chop,
gonna go
chop.
to the
Chop
bottom
the potato,
also.
chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there inna the pot? Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when a time be cook, she no delay. Me swear,
So I
coulda
finished
eat
cover half with the
anywhere,
sauce.
but
I'm
in the
adding some
Caribbean we stay.
cheese.
Sister J, the
As I
food
said,
tastes
if you like
nice.
it cheesy,
The
just put
food
cheese
tastes
until
nice.
the ancestors
Sister
say
J,
stop.
you know say
I'm
man.
putting in another
Sister
layer
J,
of potato
the food tastes nice. Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. When she start cook me and for do it every
and
time.
then
Share with my
the
friend them.
cheese
Comment,
sauce.
like. Sister J, hey, Sister J.
And if you want, you
Hey,
can
Sister
always
J,
add
them say
garlic to
taste
this
nice. Start cook all
recipe.
my finger, my bite. Food
I
delicious, me have
don't
to
like
do it
garlic
every
in
time.
mine.
Share with your friend them.
So now I'm
Comment,
adding
like.
some more cheese
Everybody
on
don't know.
top.
Subscribe. Remember, chat box this attack. Sister J, the food tastes nice. The food tastes nice. Whether
So I'm going to be putting
all
this in
rice,
the
hey.
oven for 1 hour,
Food tastes nice.
covered with foil
Food tastes good,
paper.
yo.
After 45
Now
minutes, I'm
pass the
going to
plate
take the
right
foil
now.
paper
No
off and leave
joke.
it to cook for
You
the
must say
next
Sister
15
J, you're the
minutes
best.
without the foil paper. And there you have it.
The food
My
tastes nice.
scallop
Caribbean cuisine,
potato
so please subscribe.
is
I just
ready.
start cook me and for do it every
And
time.
I'm just
Share
going to
with my
share
friend them.
out a
Comment,
plate.
like. Sister J, them
I
say it
have this
tastes nice
scallop
every
potato
time when you
served
cook
with
all my finger, my bite. Food
barbecue
delicious, me have to do it every
spare
time. Share
ribs
with my friend them.
with
Comment,
corn.
like. Sister J, real top chef
So
that a
guys,
fuck.
look at my
Chop, chop,
scallop
chop, chop, chop,
potato.
chop, chop. Chop the
Oh, this
potato,
smells
chop the carrot.
so
What leap of spice
good.
of it there inna the
Look at that. It smells so good, guys. You gotta try this recipe out. So now I'm serving it in the plate. And this is what it looks like. Barbecued spare ribs, scalloped potato, and corn. It looks delicious, just like how it is. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and do the do, man. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. As I always say, live good, eat good, work good, and pray good. One love. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more delicious recipe from Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine.